such a fabulous journey with the Transport Research Arena Conference when we bid for it in 2019 with the Department of Transport and TII, fantastic stakeholders, and together we won it for Ireland.
The conference has been fabulous so far. We've exceeded all expectations in terms of delegates, double the previous conference, the biggest ever as a whole. Everybody's delighted with the way the conference was run.
In order to deliver the conference, we teamed up with Conference Partners International, and they've been with us every step of the way on our journey to delivering this wonderful event here today. The team were very professional in every aspect of it, from the logistics of the conference through to the catering and also the actual presentations of the plenary sessions, strategic sessions, technical sessions, poster sessions, and also in providing all of the social events around an event such as this.
We've over 4,500 square meters of outdoor space, which is fantastic. But we've also about 2,500 square meters of exhibition with some fantastic exhibiting partners behind us, and they're very much showcasing some of the initiatives and projects and research that they have actually done over the last number of years.
We have just had over 4,000 people on site in the RDS for the last 4 days. We have not only an exhibition but multiple programme sessions, and throughout it all the Conference Partners International team has been by our sides. They have advised, they have counselled, they have supported, they have been our right hands throughout.